Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to place a test order in Shopify. So once you're inside of your Shopify dashboard, we can come down here to Settings. And then click on Payments. So your first step is to activate your Shopify payments. So we can click on Complete Account Setup. Complete the information. When you're done, just click on Next. And then put down your store's name and your store's phone number, and then click on Next. Make sure that your information is correct, and then click on Confirm. When you're done, you can come here to click on Manage. And then you want to scroll down. And where it says Test Mode, here on the bottom, we can toggle this on. And then you'll see Test Mode on. And then you also see customers can't check out while you're in test mode. So after the test mode is turned on, we can come here and go to your website. Go to any product. So here's the product. So we can just click on Add to Cart. Click on Checkout. And then you can just input any email. And then next, you can actually come to this page, which is directly from Shopify. They tell you exactly what information to put in order to place the test order. So as you can see here, to simulate a successful transaction, use the following information when you ask for credit card details at checkout. So for the name of the card, you can enter at least 2 words. So it could be any 2 words. So I'll just put down my name. For the address, it could also be any address. And then you can select your shipping method and then scroll down. Now for the credit card information, we can come back to this page. For the expiration date, you can enter any date in the future. And for the security code, you can enter any 4 digits to test American Express, and enter any 3 digits to test all other cards. So let's come back here. So for the expiration, let's do August 2028. And for the security code, we can just put down 3 digits, 345. And for the card number, you can use any of the following numbers. So let's go with Visa card. So we can just copy this and then paste this in the card number. Then we can scroll down, enter your phone number, and then click on Pay Now. And then your order is placed. You'll see your confirmation number here, order details here. And let's go back to our dashboard, and let's go to Orders. And then you should be able to see the order that was just placed. We can click on it. And then you'll see the order information here. So this is how you place a test order in your Shopify store.